Okay guys, this is Buttercup, my baby doll sheep. Just came home out to the field here and saw she's got a little baby. She is not overly friendly, so she has not let me touch the baby to see what it is or anything, but she seems to be taking care of it. Looks like it might have been born sometime yesterday evening, last night. Its cord looks like it's starting to get dried up and stuff. Let me see if I can't get a picture of it in here without her trying to whoop me. She's very protective. Last year she had twins in the really cold snap of like December, and I was actually, I was like, where'd you go? I was actually out of town with one of my daughters. So by the time my husband had found him, they had frozen to death, and she ended up with mastitis. So that worries me with her having this one. So it's definitely a single birth. Dang it, I'm not very good at recording her. She blends in with the leaves. Anyhow, just see what I'm saying? Let me see if I can't find the baby. Okay, there's the baby laying down. It had its tail waggling earlier, so I'm assuming, you know, it's eating and stuff, and it seems to be pretty strong. So, with that, we're just gonna hope for the best with her being out here in the field. Even though I am dying to get my hands on it. She might whoop my butt though. I'm telling you what. Look at her staring at me. But, yeah, so anyhow, we're just gonna kind of watch it. I wanted to pin it up for the night because we're supposed to get a storm. But my husband's all, grr, sheep's waterproof because they're lanolin and, you know, mess with her and she's not gonna like it, and he's right on some parts, but shh, don't tell him. Anyhow, with that, welcome to the farm, new little baby doll. Let's see if I can't get close enough and snatch a hold of it and see what it is. Look, it looks like she's smiling at me, even though even though we know that she ain't meaning it. I got a little closer. She stomped at me almost like a deer, saying, do it again, I'll show you. Hang on, I'm gonna walk closer. Watch her. It's okay, Butters. It's okay, girl. You know me. Yeah. Okay, well, with that, hold on. Okay. Oh, she's gonna whoop my butt. I got her baby in my hand, and just so we all know, it's a girl. I know, Mama. I know, right? I know. See, look at this. Isn't she cute? Her cord is still a little wet. Just want to see her eyes. Come here. See her eyes. See if you got any. Look at her little. Oh, look how cute. So, yeah, it's a girl. Mama wasn't as brutal as she pretended to be. Look at her little tail waggling going. I'd love to see her nurse. I'd say she was born sometime late last night, early morning. Now, when you're looking at sheep, they do have like a little wax coating over the nipples, and sometimes you have to help clear that off before they can nurse. You know, not always, especially if they've got a good suck to them, but there is a wax coating that closes those over the nipples. That way it protects the milk and colostrum and everything stays good and ready to go. But with that, she looks like she's definitely nursed some. I saw her pooping earlier, so I'm thinking we're going to be okay. We're just going to keep an eye on her. Ain't naming her. Every time I name one of my little lambs, something happens. So I'm going to give her a little time in life here. But welcome to the world, little baby doll sheep. So there we have it. First one this season. Well, the only one this season, because she's my only baby doll,